Well, it's about a few minutes after 2 o'clock, and back from the old farts, P-H-A-R-T-Z, lunch, and I've pretty much decided, I think the smartest way to do this is to take this bolt out and see if I can move this pedal out far enough to get this lever underneath the lever built into the brake pedal. So that part right there, I think this thing should be underneath of it. So I'm going to try that and see how it goes. Well, you know, the best laid plans of mice and men often go astray. Well, this one actually worked. I was able to pull the brake pedal out far enough to get clearance to put the switch underneath of it, and it works. And over here, watch the meter. And that's your brake light circuit. So all I have to do now is take these two wires and run them up to the top of the other side and hook them up to the ignition and the brake light. I'll be darned. Sometimes you win. Let's do a full systems electrical test. I've got the battery hooked up and I've got it turned on, and up here, hanging up here in the braze so it doesn't touch anything. This is your negative contact of the battery through the fuse, positive contact of the battery being run by the test battery at this point in time. Wiring is pretty tight down in this area, all strapped down nicely, and seems to work. So we're just going to leave that like that. Now, let's go up here. There's nothing turned on at this point in time, so I'm going to turn this one click. Okay, now we should have ignition. And no tail light, no headlight, because it's just ignition, but we should have brake light. So let's make sure that when I hit the brake, I'll try to hold this thing back here. So no, I can't do that. Let's see. Let's see, can you see? Yes, we have a brake light. Okay, good. That's a good thing. Now let's go back up here. Actually, with ignition on, we should get spark. I'll try this by hand. If it doesn't work, that is visible, I will put it in a tripod. Let's, okay. I can see the spark right there. Okay, we'll do a tripod, but I saw the spark. Okay, now in the meantime, up here at the head of the bike, we're in ignition, but no lights, so let's go to lights. Hard to do. There we go, now we get lights. And we have high beam, low beam. Ooh, battery must be down. Let's turn the lights off and see how that goes. Well, let's leave the lights on for a minute and we'll get tail light. Okay, we have tail light, headlight, tail light, and let's turn that off. Just go to ignition, make sure the battery, yeah, the lights were just dragging down the battery. I think I'll put LEDs in this headlight and tail light. That'll help. In the meantime, back at the ranch, I'm going to put this in a tripod and we'll try another spark test. All right, change of plans. It's 4 o'clock and I'm tired, so I'm not going to do any more today. I will start putting this in a cell back together tomorrow, maybe. What is today? Today's Thursday. Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. Coffee in the morning, then come down here and put the nacelle together and see if it'll run. I expect it will. It was ridden in here, okay? Apparently it just wasn't running very well. So we'll find out how it goes. And tomorrow, I'm done for the day. It looks reasonably good in here. And reasonably good up here. And I will put all this together and have a whole motorcycle. So it's 4 o'clock and I'm done for the day.